Hello everyone. Today we'll test how the system works under sunny days, cloudy days, and rainy days. This is the illumination in different weather. We use the ammeter to test the charging current of the lead battery. Now let's start from a sunny day. The charging current is 4.06 ampere for GMPPT system in a sunny day. Then we test a cloudy day. The charging current is 3.08 ampere for GMPPT system in a cloudy day. Next, we test a rainy day. The charging current is 1.68 ampere for GMPPT system in a raining day. We complete the test in the same way for the system B and system A. Here is the result. GMPPT system will provide 35% to 48% more power no matter what weather it is.
GoodLux. Good luck.